What's up, everyone? Welcome back to What to Open Next. I'm your host, John Parker, and in this video we'll be opening up 2 packs of Yu-Gi-Oh! Dimension of Chaos. Yes, Konami trading card game. 9 packs in each pack. 9 cards in each pack. Alrighty. 9 cards in each pack, opening 2 packs, and the entire set includes 48 common cards, 20 rare cards, 14 super rare cards, 10 ultra rare cards, and 8 secret rare cards. Alright, so here we go. We're going to be opening these up. We're opening them up. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's find some good stuff in here. Oh, yeah. So we got some super heavy Samurai Soul Claw, Earth Machine Effect. Then we got some Contract Laundering, Trap Card. We got D.D. Savant Kepler, Dark Fiend Pendulum Effect. Oh, the Legendary Fisherman number 3. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's what I like to see right there. Water Warrior Effect. And then we got a Radiant, the Multidimensional Kaiju Dark Fiend Effect. Nice. DD Necro Slime Dark Fiend Effect. Alright, and we're gonna get a Cradle Alligator Water Aqua Effect. I got Magispecta Tempest, Counter Trap card. Nice. Gradle Impact Continuous Spell card. Alrighty, that was a good first pack. Yes, it was. Pack number 2, last pack of this video. Hope everyone is doing awesome. Appreciate you coming in, stopping by. Definitely like, hit the subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Leave a comment. Tell me something about this set. Cards that you played. Alright, we're going to get a Grand Horn of Heaven Counter Trap card. Cradle Eagle Water Aqua Effect. Psychic Blade Equip Spell card. A Super Soldier Rebirth Trap card. Super Soldier Soul Earth Warrior Effect. Oh, Vector Pendulum the Drake Overlord. Nice. Dark Dragon Pendulum. Nice. Oh, Magispector Unicorn Corinne. Wind Spellcaster Pendulum Effect. Nice. Fright for March Counter Trap card. Cool. And Ignite Cavalier Fire Warrior Pendulum. And that is the last card of the pack. Appreciate you being here. Love you guys. Definitely hit the like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time a new video hits the channel. Help answer this awesome question, what to open next? Stay hydrated and stay tuned for more pack openings, more entertaining videos, and then thank you to everyone for helping this channel get monetized. Without you guys, this channel would not be a channel. So definitely, if you guys want to become a member of the channel and be part of the team, love you guys. Definitely hit the join button and check it out. Other than that, you do not need to. I appreciate you just stopping in, hitting that like, helping with the watch hours, and checking it out. I love you guys. Have yourselves a great day, night, evening, afternoon, week, weekend, and I'll see you on the next one.